Lovely. Hi, I'm Ray. This is my gardening channel with Ray. Today, Boxing Day. We've come down to the vegetable garden to give it a water and to see what's been happening with the vegetables I've got on my trays. But we had big storms over the last night, and on the Isle of Wight, which is on the south coast of the UK, we've had storms of up to 105 miles per hour. And just been looking around the allotment garden, and not much damage apart from my polytunnel door has got blown in from the winds, and it's broken the door frame of the polytunnel. So that's one job that needs fixing before the spring. But we've come down today to do some seeds, and it's a tradition to do leeks and onions on Boxing Day. So we've got onion, Ailsa Craig, and these are an exhibition onion, best for show bench, and the exhibition quality, award-winning variety. And also leeks, Musselburgh. These can be sown January, February, so we're going to give these a go in the pots. So let's show you what we're going to do. Cheers! So this is the two packets of seeds that we've got, and this is Ailsa Craig, and this is the exhibition onions and leek Musselburgh, and these will be done in these pots. This pot will be done for the leeks, and I'm going to use the large tray for the onions. So I'm using a deeper tray for the leeks, and this is some leeks I grew last year, and they got rather left in the pot, but they did grow. So this is just some multi-purpose compost into a pot, and we're giving it a bit of a water, and we got our leek seeds, and these are always so fiddly. It's best to water the compost beforehand so the leeks don't get washed around. So this is our leek seeds. There we go. And these are just going to be scattered all around the pot, and then they can grow deep into this pot, the roots. We'll just do the whole lot. Then they can be separated out in time when they've grown. So that's the leeks. I'm just going to put compost on top. Give it a water. And then, not forgetting the label, because I do. And then we're going to have a go with the onions. Just straightforward into the cell tray. calm it down. We're going to give these a water. The water has been in the polytunnel, although it's a bit of a chilly morning this morning. The sun is going to come out nice later on today, so that'll be good. So this is our onion seeds, Alistair Craig, and they look very similar to the leeks. And we're going to put just a pinchful in each tray. And that's it. And then we're going to cover back up with the multi-purpose compost. And these are going to sit in the greenhouse. And we can watch them grow on, and they'll be ready for planting out at the beginning of spring. So not forgetting the labels and the water. There we go. There's our onions and our leeks, and we look forward to growing the leeks, Muscian, during the spring. So thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more videos. And I hope you all had a good Christmas. Thanks for all the lovely comments. We had a good family Christmas, just a small family in the home, so we enjoyed it. It was good. So happy new year to everybody, and we look forward to seeing you in the new year. So thank you very much. Cheers.